Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Rizky Pratama Putra from Manufacturing Class A. This morning, I am currently doing an internship at PT Sisor Panatek. To be more precise, I am in the molding department and my supervisor is Mr. Babang Rianto. Well then, I will go to strength to be job that I do it at PT Sisor Panatek. The Sisor sit in Batam. PT Sisor Panatek is a high-end manufacturer of plastic molded part and mechanical assembly for medical, industrial, automotive, and transport customer. The site is struggling located in Batam. Wise is just an hour away from the Sisor site in Singapore. In combination with Singapore, the site over engineering, plastic injection molding, vertical intersecondary process and assembly service. The product site a state-of-the-art manufacture, plastic and total clean room ISO class 7 for injection molding, assembly, dan packing. The clean room are validated for RTU ready to us. Medical application. The work I did there, I wish entrusted with being a material leader. The material used in my department are Grilamid, foam hosta foam, PBX, MABS, Terlook, with a first color. For example, black, white, red, blue, then other type of color. In my department, a product is good from Sivantos, Bernina, Starkey, and also Triple S. And the good from this customer as different type of material that I have mounted before. Product made in the department for medical device, such a hearing aids. My first task is to register the material. First, I look at the WO running an S machine. After registering the WO, which I make a list. What I need to pay attention to is balancing the material in the system with the actual. Next, I make a list of material that are in the system first. After recording what is the system, I immediately go to out the collect the actual data from the exiting material, that it is seen that our material are balanced or not. After recording the material according to the actual in the system, I immediately made a list for material requests by adjusting the new WO. After making a list material request, immediately work them on the material request. From after that, I immediately send the material from the store for the procurement of material that will be asked later. After ordering the material, I went straight to the running machine to see if the material was sufficient or not. To see if the material was sufficient or not. The first thing to do is to look at the quantity of product that work the product and then look at the output. That had been product after that reduce the quantity of the product by quantity of products that have not been product and see the overall material quantity and the material quantity that has been brought in the mini hopper. And after the data is obtained, I immediately calculate in the mean of the overall material quantity divided by the target product quantity and then times the remaining product quantity not yet in product. Then you can get the result and adjust it directly to the material in the mini hopper, whether is enough or not. After recording enough material in the machine or not, I immediately took the top-up material from the machine. Whether the function of the material top-up from was to see if the material that was apart was in accordance with the WO or not. There it also show whether the material has been prepared second or not in the system. The top-up material from that is checked directly on EZEP or in the system on the computer. And there it looks like there is a problem or not. For example, it is pending because there are time, because it must always be considered from the top up because the material that is poured might by leaking. After recording the top up material, I immediately saw the material that I ordered from the store whether it was in accordance with was ordered aerial or not. If it was operate immediately saw the system whether is coordinate with the actual or not. After that, I have poured the material according to the WO into the mini hopper. Before I was put in the mini hopper, the material had to be heat first the oven so that the weather contact was reduced. I had the bin so that it was too long later when the machine was running. It was too long waiter for the material, hot or not, see it does take much time. If the material is lacking, I have to do DM every week in order to report material storage. For example, to allot a reject themes. Of course, the material is lacking. Therefore, I need to BDM. After that, I immediately help the technician to raise the mold to top of the machine. Before, we had to ask safety equipment, shoes and safety shoes, glove and headgear. If you have to carry the mold, you must ask a crane. After the mold must adjust to the machine, whether it's balanced or not. And if the mold has at the machine, the safety equipment on the machine is direct installed. For example, the ejector cable, camera, and emergency stop. After it has been installed, add a cooling water hose to the core and the cavity in the mold. After this, installed immediately to the testing desk on the machine whether the product that comes out of the machine has problem or is it unusual. The problem is black dot, defects in the product, and so on. After that, the installed 5 good products were immediately delivered to the QC so that they were checked. If it was okay, the product to be robot and camera setup. The robot is the point of taking. The finished money is the mold. The robot is also a safety device. The type of molding machine as the printing machine. Horizontal from 20 tons to millimeter diameter height processor micro mold with the microturns. Then wheel a molding up to 0.4 millimeter things. 2K injection mold, vertical insert mold. Material feeding system with define will dray. Servo robot alarm with visual camera system. Automatic component placement into the tray system. Clean room mode ISO class 7. Sometimes I also help with engine maintenance, which is what we do, namely cleaning the engine coolant channel. It's us the by trade tone sodic engine with water cooling. Also, we clean the water channel. You see a lot that stored in. So what my attention to the maintenance is not only the machine. The robot also need attention. Next, Surung Parulian Hasibuan.
Okay, thank you. My name is Surung Parlian Hasibuan and I'm from class manufacture. I working in maintenance assembly and my supervisor is Mr. Joko Yulianto. In this department production, health, goods, and hearing aids and beauty. For this department usually log in from 7 a.m. and leave at 3 p.m. Test department has 3 shifts, morning, afternoon, and evening. Will for interns who enter at 7 p.m. and leave at 4 p.m. There are various type of production machine that I'm to printing label on production and assembly part from on one order. My daily life at the company is setting the machine for production. One of which is setting the printing machine. The first thing I do is setting the printing machine, which is to mix several chemical. Then the mixed chemical is put into the machine, and after that, the machine is set according to the material part. Request after that is it is checked by quality control. After the quality control, the material part, then the material part can be production. Once the on the machine maintenance is carried out, so the machine is not the Mac. That my daily life in the company, the machine in this company use wind of pneumatic power. I learned a lot in this company, especially in my department. From time disciplines, mechanical science, and also machine maintenance. I hope that this company will continue to provide opportunities for interns to study it in this company. Maybe that's all from me, and thank you.
Maybe this what I can see more the list. I apologize. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.